Hi there, this is Kathryn Crawford-Wheat with Kathryn's Korner. This is the first segment that I'm doing with Maritza Ortega, and she is an instructor for the Kathryn C. Wheat School of Real Estate. And it is fitting that she is the first interview that I'm doing because she has been with me the longest out of any of my instructors. So she was one of the first ones to join and help me kick this business off in 2014. So this is all about Maritza today, so I'm going to be asking her just a few questions and you can hear from her because I want you to know all about Maritza. First of all, tell me about you. Tell me about your family.
Okay, thank you. Well, first, thank you for having me. I'm honored just the same way as I was honored the very first time that you asked me to teach with you. About my family, I have been married for 24 years, I think, with the same person.
That's good.
And we have two girls, Mariana, who is 22 and she's in school in Stephen F. Austin, and Carolina, who is 18 and she's doing community college in Lone Star Cypher.
And both are beautiful. I've met them both.
Yes.
And they're amazing girls. Now, tell me a little bit about what you do outside of work. What are your hobbies? What do you like to do?
One of the things, well, actually there are two things I love to do, and they do go very well together, because one is going out on adventures and getting to know new places, explore little towns, coffee shops, all around the Houston area, and the other one is taking pictures. So every time I am out and about on an adventure, I do take a lot of pictures. That's one of my the most favorite things to do.
And you're very good at it as well. My mom just told me this morning how she loves watching Maritza on Facebook because of her adventures, and her pictures are so amazing. It always makes her want to go wherever Maritza's gone. So I forgot to mention that we are in one of Maritza's discoveries, a place called Lava Coffee here in the Katy area. So if you hear some coffee being made in the background or espresso going, then that's why. But we decided to come back here to do this interview. So next question.
Yes.
Do you have any unusual talents that we should know about?
I do. I like doing Zumba. I have been doing Zumba for about 9 or 10 years. So I didn't know I could move my hips so well until I tried it. So now I think that's one of my hidden talents. I like to shake it.
Right. Whenever I see her post videos or something of her doing Zumba, I try to do what she's doing and I'm hopeless. She, on the other hand, is amazing. So yes, she does have those.
And now there's TikTok. So I've been really having a lot of fun with TikTok.
So moving on, because we don't want this to get too long, tell us about how long you've been with Kathryn C. Wheat School of Real Estate.
I think it's been since 2014 when you started and asked me if I wanted to teach with you.
Yes, it has. So like I said, she's been with me the longest out of any of my instructors. So we've seen a lot of growth together, a lot of changes in the industry, a lot of changes to how we do our work, especially now with Zoom. But she has just rolled with it. She's been a trooper. She's been amazing. So I'm blessed to have her as part of our team. The other thing I want to know is, what do you teach and why do you teach?
I teach home staging, and the class's name is Preparing Homes to Sell Quickly. I teach because I enjoy, number one, connecting with people, and teaching allows me to do that. And number two, share what I have learned and to see how the things I share help others be successful in their business as well.
Awesome.
And what they do.
Awesome, and she does. She's got so many great tips and things to share. I always see the light bulbs go off inside the room when she's teaching about home staging. Next thing, how do you like teaching on Zoom? This is our new platform.
It's certainly convenient. I do have to say that it's not of my preference. I like live things, live experiences where you can connect with people and be close so that you can all be in the same room. But it's convenient. Last time I do have to say that I was fully dressed, but I was teaching in slippers. Oh. So
Guilty. I've done that a
Guilty,
few
yes.
times too.
So it is convenient, and it's been something new to learn. So that's what I like about it too.
Awesome. So what's your favorite part of teaching?
My favorite part of teaching is connecting with others and sharing what I have learned and how to see how it has helped them. Every time I encounter someone that tells me that something I said really helped them or inspired them, that's what I really, really enjoy.
I agree. I think that's the magic when you get that kind of feedback. What's the part of teaching that you wish you did not have to deal with?
I would say when we were doing live classes, it was the technical part. And with Zoom, is the same thing. The technical part, it stresses me knowing that something might not go well, that we might lose connection, or that all the things that I need to be taking care of at the same time that I am teaching. I think that's my least favorite part.
And I think I would agree with that as well. The technical part is definitely the part that's unpredictable, that you can't prepare for, and you really don't have much control over.
Yeah.
So I get it for sure. Parting thoughts. We're going to wrap this up here. What's one important thing that you would want people to know about you, or one thing that you would want to share with other people?
I would say my personal experience with teaching classes, and to just take opportunities and say yes to opportunities. They might seem hard in the beginning, you might not be fully prepared, but when you first asked me to teach with you, I had no idea how I was going to do it. I did not have a class put together. I was still not very comfortable with public speaking, but I said yes. And I'm not going to say wing it, but prepare to be successful when you do it. Maybe not everything's going to go well the very first few times, but just keep doing it, and the more you do it, the less it hurts. So say yes, because you never know what you would be missing if you say no. Look, now here we are.
Right. You have come so far, and I'm so proud of you from your very first class. And your first class was good, but you have just really come a long way. You've really grown with us as an instructor, as a speaker, and as just an asset to this team. So I really appreciate you, Maritza. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you. This is fun.
She's amazing just in everything that she does. She's a fantastic home stager. So if you have a need for that, make sure you reach out to her, because she is absolutely the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's it for now. Everybody take care and have a wonderful day.
Bye.